Here's a new 2019 Cadillac XTS. To lead, you have to do everything well. Welcome to the front of the pack. It comes with great features you love. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, power tilt-down heated mirrors, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, V6 engine, Brembo 4-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, Bluetooth streaming audio, heated steering wheel, 4-wheel drive with traction control, security vehicle tracker system with slowdown, and front, rear, left, and right side cameras. Edmunds.com adds the 2016 XTS's real leg up on the competition is its spacious interior, particularly in the back seat, as well as its cavernous trunk. For over 100 years, Cadillac has dared to drive the world forward. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Mile 1 MotorWorld Cadillac is conveniently located at 150 MotorWorld Drive in Wilkes Barre.